Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 4, hadith number 3461, Ballighu anni walau ayah. Propagate even if you know one verse about Islam.
Dr. Zakir Abdul Karim Naik is an Indian Islamic preacher. He's a well-spoken doctor who speaks fluent English as well as Bombayan Hindi. Although his messages have inspired many people from around the world, he has sometimes ended up in hot water for some of his views. Welcome to another episode of FTD Facts. My name is Leroy Kenton, and in this episode I have 10 surprising facts about Dr. Zakir Naik that I'm going to share with you. But before I jump into the facts, I got a question for you guys. I'm actually really curious to know, what public speakers inspire you? Sound off down below in the comment section. Okay, so starting off with the first fact. Dr. Zakir Naik, he runs a non-profit charitable organization called the Islamic Research Foundation, as well as Peace TV, which reportedly reach over 100 million viewers. According to its website, it's dedicated to the promotion of Islamic Dewa, which is the understanding of Islam through presentation through various channels including TV. It's also dedicated to the promotion of truth, justice, morality, harmony, and wisdom for all of humanity. Zakir Naik was born in Mumbai, India in October 1965, and he attended the Kishanjan Chelaram College and studied medicine at the Chopiwala National Medical College and BYL near Charitable Hospital, as well as later on he studied at the University of Mumbai, where he obtained a Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. Clearly this guy is well educated and he knows a whole lot. Now, the appeal of Dr. Zakir Naik is that he seeks to clarify Islamic viewpoints and clear other misconceptions about Islam using the Quran, using the Hadith, as well as other religious scriptures as a basis, along with mixing in scientific facts to make his points a lot more impactful.
God is one. He's called the true.
Now, unlike many other Islamic preachers, his lectures are delivered in a common language that people can understand. And they're given in English, not Urdu or Arabic, and he's always seen wearing a suit and tie. That's like his staple, his costume. It's like you see that, you're like, oh, that's Dr. Zakir Naik right there. He's all about keeping things simple. Now, according to the Islamic Research Foundation's website, in the last 20 years, Dr. Zakir Naik has delivered over 2,000 public speeches all around the world. Now, among the places that he's visited, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Italy, France, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Ghana, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Hong Kong, China, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, and the Maldives. Also, in March of 2012, he did a public talk in Kishangani in India, and it was attended by over 1 million people. So clearly this guy has a lot of influence. And this was one of the largest gatherings in the world for any religious lecture by one speaker. Dr. Zakir Naik was the recipient of the prestigious King Faisal International Prize, or the KFIP, in the category of service to Islam back in 2015. Now, the award was announced by Makkah, Saudi Arabia Governor Prince Khalid Al Faisal, alongside the KFIP Secretary General Abdullah Al Uthaymin, and each prize consists of a handwritten Arabic certificate, as well as a 24-karat 200-gram gold medal and a cash reward of 750,000 Saudi Riyal, which works out to be around 200,000 US dollars. But that's not the only thing he's received. Like, he's received numerous awards from leaders around the world. In 2013, the Department of Islamic Development Malaysia conferred a Mal Hiraj Distinguished Personality Award to Dr. Zakir Naik in a ceremony at the Putrajaya International Convention Center. He's also married to Farhat Naik, and he has a son named Farik and a daughter whose name is Rushda. And the final fact I want to share in this episode about Dr. Zakir Naik is that his views have often offended many Muslim scholars, both from the Shia branch as well as the Sunni community. Many Muslim scholars across the world look down upon Zakir Naik for his statements on Allah and the Prophet. Like in a speech, he had mentioned how Muslims shouldn't seek favors from the Prophet in their prayers, but only from Allah. So a lot of people were like, does he respect the Prophet Muhammad? They got a little upset. But hey, either way, when you have that much influence like Dr. Zakir Naik, as well as speaking so much in the public, not everybody is going to agree with you. And I guess that's just something that you gotta live with when you're in the public eye like that. Those are 10 surprising facts about Dr. Zakir Naik. Let me know down below in the comment section what you thought about anything that I shared. What are your views on Dr. Zakir Naik? I'm curious to know. I also take requests for a new video topic, so if you have any suggestions for future FTD Facts episodes that you want to see, you can also drop those down below in the comment section as well.
If I pray 5 times, I am getting guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am on the straight path, therefore I am praying 5 times.
And before you guys head out, here's another video that I recommend. You just tap the annotation right here to check that video out. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, those links are below in the video description section as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already to join the FTD Facts family and ring that bell so you can be notified of our daily episodes. Until next time guys, you have been awesome. I'm going to see you real soon in another video.